Hi everyone, today I talk about Japan and its role in Asia. Regionalism focusing on its foreign and economic policies. Japan is an island nation in East Asia known for its advanced technology, strong economy, and its rich culture. It's one of the most developed countries in Asia and play a big role in regional cooperation. Asian regionalism means cooperation among Asian countries to achieve peace, stability, and progress. Japan supports this by working closely with its Asian neighbor through organizations like Asian APEC and the East Asian Summit. Japan's foreign policy focuses on promoting peace, democracy, and international cooperation. Its humanitarian aid, climate change effort, and peacekeeping mission. Japan also strengthened partnership with Asian countries to maintain peace and security in the Asia-Pacific region. Japan's economy is based on innovation, technology, and export. The government promotes free trade and economic partnership like the Comprehensive and Progressive Agreement for Trans-Pacific Partnership or CPTPP. Japan also invests in infrastructure and development projects in other Asian countries. Japan's help build stronger this in Asia by providing financial aid, sharing technology, and supporting sustainable development. Its leadership and diplomacy contribute to the unity and growth of the inter-Asia region. In conclusion, Japan's foreign and economic policies show its commitment to peace, progress, and partnership in Asia. Through Asian regionalism, Japan continues to play a vital role in building a stable and prosperous region. A prosperous region.